Sigurado nila nasagad yung mga tao kasi ano eh, no? Punong-puno eh, no?
Makakarating na tayo doon 2:20 sa Little Qualicum Campground.
But they already testing. Rabbit.
Dami natin kasabay.
Qualicum Falls campground at night. Sketchy. Sketchy. Okay.
Uy, may mga nagka-camping.
So just find a vacant one and just sleep there.
So update guys, nakakita kami ng campsite dito sa Little Qualicum Falls Campground. And 2 a.m. 2 a.m. na. So tulog na si Aubrey. Sinetap ko na yung higaan nila dito sa likod. Yan, so may mattress, yung pillow nila. Then itong mga ibang gamit lalagay ko sa loob. Okay. Good night. Love you. Aubrey, basta pa.
Money.
Love you.
Hi. Papa, look.
Yan.
The tree flopped in the sun.
Oh no. So ito yung kanilang washroom. Yan yung showeran. Malinis. So may 4 na ganito dito sa campground. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello guys, welcome my video again. We're in the camping today and we're in the adventure today. And we will have camping and hotels. Okay. We're trying to get our feelings so feel the embers. I hear the people. Did you know, guys? We're in the camping today. Tomorrow we will go in the hotel.